position? That's kind of, you're in a bad line right now. All right, you're the driver. Guys, we're here. Hello, welcome back. We are in Harlan, Kentucky, Black Mountain Off-Road Adventure Park. It is day one of the Ultimate 4x4 field trip out here. We have an amazing group. Here's Marlon in the JL. I'll flip the camera around and show you guys who we're riding with, but stay tuned. It's gonna be a wild one. Straight off the bat, here we go. We have 4Low dad, Justin Coulter, leading today's trail ride. We have Marvin from Flex Rocks Rollover and Andrew Bailey as his passenger in the rental. So that's his dad, Axel's Jeep. We have a super cool single seat buggy behind him, Marlon, myself, and then a bunch of others behind us. So it's an amazing day. The trails look great. Looking forward to this, guys. It's our first time here, so let's do this. So I don't want to say that we struggled to get here, but we struggled, guys. Like the JL, I didn't know if it was going to be here, if it was going to be done on time. Marlon worked quadruple time, not even double time, quadruple time to get the cage in. Obviously, Tom's 4x4 did most of the work, and then the powder coating was done with the third party, as well as the body shop did some work on it as well to repaint the beam pillar, blah blah blah. Anyways, full set of skid plates by Motobill, which are an amazing fit on the JL. Love the way it looks. Fenders, front and rear, rock sliders. So now I won't feel that bad when he hits something because the Jeep is more or less protected. Check out this scenery. This is beautiful. I'm sure it looks completely different in the winter. So I'm making my way back down the obstacle to see what's going on. I think we have a little bit of a traffic jam. Okay, here we are. So behind me is Russ in his JKU. I think he just got a V8. That's his channel if you wanted to look up his builds and his adventures. We have this awesome buggy. God, I want one so bad. So we're in a creek bed. So I'm up here. Kind of look at the size of that rock. So that's a JL. And if I get down here, that's a pretty decent sized rock. So you gotta go around it right here. It'll go. Alrighty. Mr. Justin Coulter, here he goes. I don't think you guys can see what's going on. So around the bend, there's like a pretty, we'll see if his Jeep drops down. There it is. Nice, alrighty. That dip driver's gonna be Luna. Yeah. Look at this forlorn bridge. You got this. All right, Marlon's turn. Big rock.
Front down.
Big rock.
Back up.
And go passenger.
Always right.
Passenger would be better. Here we go. Here we go. good at peer pressure. He caves.
Yeah, they gave him a huge pep talk.
Yeah?
Like one of epic proportions.
It lasted 2 seconds, so not too sure about that.
No, you have no clue.
Oh, God.
It's not camera friendly.
Oh, got it. Yeah, so that over there is basically like this.
Momentum, Marlon. Trying to test this cage out, you know?
No, stop it, Andrew Bailey.
I'm just being funny.
You're a bad
I
influence.
wouldn't want to do that. No, not at all. That's terrible. I'm just picking at him because you guys did get the new cage.
Oof.
It's all right. He needs to get a little bit over this way, probably.
But then there's a pretty undercut rock over here off to the side.
Yeah, all right. It'll probably actually be to his advantage once he gets up.
Move it, we see it coming down. Rowdy, Mr. Off-Road and Chill. That booty though. Get it.
There you go.
Oh.
Getting hung up on that same thing.
You do that. Hater.
I'm proud of him. Good choices. You made good choices, babe.
Marlon.
Don't listen to Mr.
Listen
Bailey.
to
Do
her,
not
okay?
listen.
You don't listen to her.
You have to sleep next to me. Unless you want to share the pull-out couch with Andrew.
This is not comfortable.
Professional shit talk.
Uh-huh. Where's your Jeep? Ooh,
Uh-huh.
too soon?
Almost been a year. It's not too soon. Makes it even worse.
How did it feel? So I realized when I film you guys, I'm literally like shooting at the sky.
Well, he's 6'4" and I'm 6'3".
All right, this is better.
That would be a thing, and I'm standing in a hole, like, yeah, exactly, like, yeah.
So guys, I have an awesome co-pilot today, Jacoby Converse.
Hi.
What do you think so far?
The trail's been amazing so far. The last obstacle was a pretty fun obstacle, and
I did okay, right?
Yeah,
I
you
did
did
pretty.
amazing.
I did pretty good. We got up, so that was the most important thing. Right now, I'm gonna flip the camera, show you guys. We are at, I think it says rail bed, difficulty level 4. Not too sure about the ratings at this park. I've seen a 5, and I think the green we were on said 2. So not too sure, but it's literally a rock slab. It's all sorts of gnarly. So I'm not trying it, but let's see who will. I'll get out of the Jeep in a second, but look, guys, I think Marvin's 6'4", Marlin is for sure 6 foot, Andrew Bailey's like 6'3", and that rock is just, it's huge. Do you think we should try it?
I mean, if you want to try it, sure.
I don't know, what do you think, guys? Let me zoom out the camera a little bit to give you guys a wide angle. Check that out. All the boys filming. Oh. Almost. Come on. Woo! Heck yes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed what the JL looked like, because it might change after this trail. Here he goes. So I think definitely wheelbase is your friend here. Honestly, I think he's gonna take that line. But here we go. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna back up to this rock. Here it is. So I'm at one of the bottoms, and I'm 5'3", and there's still all of this up here. Here he comes. Go!
need to get these tires on.
Once you get up on and past your bumper, you'll be all right.
All right, here we go, here we go. Maybe if he can try climb the root, get up there. We're experiencing technical difficulties. He was in 4 high. Want to reset, no? Babe, you want to reset your position? Because that's kind of, you're in a bad line right now. All right, you're the driver. Oh, turn it off.
Well, hold on a minute.
Are you okay?
It's okay. Yeah? It's okay. Somebody can come around the top. You want us to climb in there with you?
I think you were right.
Mm-hmm.
I just need a Jeep up top. Come up this trail right here. It's nice and easy and park up long.
You gotta make sure you take a selfie, man. He's gonna grab his buggy and pull him up there.
Babe, are you okay?
Can you put,
Do you need help?
I'm good. Hey, we're just gonna pull him over. He's gonna get his buggy. How far is he? Just right up here. And then we did a toe strap.
So there you have it, folks. Now he can be part of the club, the Flex Rocks and Rollovers Club.
I don't. He actually, I literally think it's a hood. Maybe that.
You're lucky we have another hood at home.
Marlon just put a cage in it and he hit everything except of the cage.
Everybody, look.
Okay. Marlon,
Marlon, get out of there.
I can replace a Jeep, you not so much. All right. Here we go. Ah, not so bad.
Can I try again?
Maybe just let it sit until all the fluids, yeah.
The hood ain't even that bad, bro.
It'll buff out.
No, it ain't gonna buff out. No.
So he didn't reposition, which I guess we'll never know what way it would have gone if he would have listened, but there he is. They are coming up with a battle plan on what's the best way to back him out, because if you guys see right behind, he's on a pretty big rock. We're not turning the Jeep on. We're gonna leave him on level ground for a bit, let the fluids go to where they're supposed to be, and then check out the engine and make sure that nothing too nefarious happened. Yeah.
Run it. We're good. Just let it idle for a little bit. It should start smoking like crazy. But that's okay.
he still in 4 high? Good job. I honestly didn't find that last rock like really hard, but I guess wheelbase, it was easier, and Marvin was in front of me, so I saw kind of what worked for him, and we have a little bit similar wheelbase. He's a tad bit longer, which helps, so I kind of just did that. But the 4-door game, different animal altogether. It doesn't look like a big deal, and again, I'm on the way out here, so this is no problem. But here, like, I mean, you guys saw Marlon just go. It's a pretty okay situation there. It's not the easiest, but it's by far not the most difficult. So I think this trail is called Killing Time, and they should rename it to Bump It Road, because to get out, I had to bump a whole lot. There's several others. So here we are, the aftermath of the flop/roll. X-Bright, we need you. We need you bad. Tiny bit of a predicament here. So one of our participants seems to be like he broke a front axle shaft. He took a rock with speed, kind of lifted those 2 front tires, came down full locked and everything, and it just real bad noise. So they are going to winch him up, Killing Time. And there's a bypass, so I'll probably need to move, and we'll assess the situation. It is almost 4 o'clock, so we'll kind of head off the mountain. It's about an hour from here to the campground, so we'll get started early, especially with someone that's now broken. So we got all sorts of tree savers connected to the winch, connected to the guy who is down there. All right, so he's made it to the entrance of the bypass. Marvin has backed up the rental, and here we go. They're using a strap with the winch. So we had to use a heavier vehicle, so they are connected to a front point on our bumper. Marlon's down there helping with the winch, and I'm in here, making sure that we're neutral, foot all the way on the brake. Here we go. Here we are, backed up a little bit, reconnected. Whoa. So I was in that ditch, and I just got dragged sideways. That was wild, guys. We made it back to the bottom, to the campground, and we are in one piece, thank goodness. Everyone got back off the mountain safely, and that's what matters. We had a great time. If you enjoyed the video, big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next Ultimate 4x4 adventure in Windrock.